how to mark task complete in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your sheet. So for example, this is my Smartsheet here and I have a status column here. So what you can do is if you want to mark complete one of them, you can just click on drop down here and then click on complete. Okay, so if you don't have this one, you can just add a column first. Okay, and then click on status here and then just name your column. So I'm just going to name this status 2. And then if you want to add a description, you can do that. And then as for the column type, so I'm just going to select text or number here. Oh wait, drop down, and then just place your list values here. So I'm going to place complete here, then add another one, incomplete, something like this. You can just add your list values here. So just like this. Okay, so click on apply. And then you'll see something similar like this. As you can see, if you click on the drop down, you can see complete and incomplete here. And as you can see, it's the same here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.